Good morning. Well, this morning there's going to be an installation video on installing or getting working my suspension load gauge. I've already installed the gauge, and all I have to do is run the lines from the gauge all the way to the back airbags. So I've showed the gauge before. There's the gauge. Currently it doesn't work. What it does is it lets me know how much weight is on my rear axles when product's loaded in my trailer. So the gauge will go up and it should sit at a normal level. And if it's way higher than what it should be sitting, then I know I probably got way too much weight on my axles, so that I could either have it shifted around or I can move my fifth plate or whatever I need to do. So first thing I need to do is drop the air out of the bags, which that level does. And if you look back there, I don't know if you can actually see it, but the trailer will be dropping down, or the truck will be dropping down. Those are out, so I can flip that back. I'll just leave it out. And let's go start the install. So what we got is this valve right here I've got to replace. I'm going to replace it with this valve here. This is the hose that's coming in here is a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, which is this side here. This side here is a 1/4 inch, and that's what runs into the truck. This is the hose that I'm going to use to go into the truck with. This is a 1/4 inch hose. Basically, this is a push to lock. It's got a little, can't really see it very well, but it's got a little valve that comes in and out right here. See if I can get it out. Maybe I can get it on this side a little better, where it kind of moves. And what it does is when I push it in, it'll lock into place, and then it'll be there, and it should work just fine. So we're gonna pop this one out, and to get the hose off this one, it's the same kind of end. You just push this down and pull out. There's gonna be a big whoosh of air coming out because the bag's still got a little bit of air in them. So let's get this hose off. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Still going down though. Then all we have to do is get this one off. Those are rather easy, and that's what it looks like after it comes out. It's got the little push valve on it. You can see a little better on this one. So we're going to take this one, put it off my hands, put a little tape on it, a little more tape. Oh, I hate this stuff. Well, I had to come back from the store because I had to get a new of this side. This is 3/8 because this hose is 3/8, and I had a 1/2 inch on it, so I had to go back to where I got it so I can get another one. Basically, what this is a brass T with the 1/4 inch hose on this side, 3/8 inch hose on this side, and this is the thread that goes down inside the airbag. So that splits that air Well, I routed all the line. So the line's up behind this dash piece right here. So all I got to do is take this out. I got to take this off, this out, and this side out, and then we will connect the line. So to take these off, all you got to do is just twist them, and they come off quite easy. Each one on. Really? What the hell? I got the wrong size. Do. There, now this can come out. Really? There. That part's fairly easy. I got just enough. Holy mackerel. It's plugged in. It just plugs in right there. All you do is push it in there and it connects. So it should be all good to go. Let's test it. Well, it's working. You can see I got a little bit of pressure there, which is normal. It's the weight of the truck itself. When I put a trailer on it, it'll go up a little higher than obviously when product gets put on it, it'll go up, should go up to around 50 or so. I got air here, both sides, front and back. Well, front really, because that's all there is. So it's successful. There's no leaks. I already walked in the back and there's no leaks, so it works.